Hi guys, today I have a tutorial all about this blunt cut ponytail with rubber band design. I'm starting out on wash stretch hair and I'm going to create a diamond part at the top of my head. And I'm making sure that my parts are even as possible because I want to have equal amount parts on each side. That way everything looks uniform and neat. Next, I'm going to moisturize my hair with this Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. Then I'm going to use some of this edge control and smooth it on my section with this edge brush. Placing a rubber band on that section and then continue to do the same thing on the next two sections. Now I'm parting off 2 sections off on the side, and these are going to be my flat twists, and I'm using some of this Cantu gel that's new, and I love this gel, guys. I decided to twist down the ends of the 3 sections in the front and add it to my last triangle part section, and I think that ties in really nice with the flat twist that I did. Now it's time to get this thick hair into this sleek ponytail. I'm going back into this Cantu moisture retention gel, and I'm going to place that throughout my hair into sections. That is the key to getting it nice and slick. You have to go in and section out, focusing on the thickest part at the top first and smoothing that out. Now that I have my ponytail placed, I'm going to go back in and smooth my edges and start to create my baby hairs. And for all my 4C hair girls out there who need some extra hold, I had to pull out my freeze spray and spray that all over my hair. It just keeps everything in place. I'm placing my satin scarf on to set my hair while I continue to get ready. Now moving on to the ponytail, I'm going to be using this Drawstring Ponytail by Selfie Star, and I've had this ponytail for almost a year now and it's held up so well, and I'm starting to get bored with the length. So I decided, why not try out the blunt cut ponytail with a drawstring ponytail. That's a tongue twister. And this ponytail is 30 inches long. Now I'm ready to cut this ponytail. I'm going to use a scrunchie and tie my hair off. Make sure when you tie off your hair at a longer length that you desire. That way you don't cut off too much the first time. Okay, my first initial cut came out really nice, although my scissors need to be replaced because they are so dull. I'm going to go back in and cut off more of the uneven pieces. I don't know if you noticed that my hair is slightly longer on one side, and it's slightly. So I'm going to go in and straighten my hair first. That way I can really see how much I need to cut off. Then I'm going to go back in and even out my cut. Sorry guys, I was out of frame right here, but I was concentrating so hard I forgot I was filming. If you notice my face. I'm super surprised at how well this hair took to heat, and I do have it at the lowest temp setting, which is about 250. And this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with this ponytail. It has so much body and bounce. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now, and also comment down below and let me know how your day going. I hope it's well, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.